Hello and welcome to Chow. Today I am going to share with you lemon tea, 3 different ways. In a previous video I showed you how to make 3 Thai tea classics. Today I'm going to focus on only one of them, and that is lemon tea. This time I'm going to make the plain lemon tea, regular lemon tea, we're just using plain water. The second one is using sparkling lemon tea. So we're going to use soda as our base. And the third one is a new arrival. And this is, I'm going to spice our lemon tea a little bit with cream cheese topping. So let's get started. I'm going to use the normal 16-ounce cup for the plain lemon tea and also the sparkling lemon tea. For the cream cheese tea, I'm going to use 2 cups. These are 8 ounces each. So I'm going to split the one 16-ounce cup into 2 because I want to share this. One will be for me and one is for my son. I have here my freshly brewed, beautiful, with crema Thai tea. 3 ounces of Thai tea for one 16-ounce cup. And I'm going to use 1.5 ounce of sugar syrup. I'm going to squeeze some lemon into the drink, so using the lemon squeezer, and we can now pour our tea here. I'm just going to add water to fill it up to the top, and that is your plain lemon tea. Let's put the lid on and put our straw. And that's our lemon tea. The other tea that we're going to make is the sparkling lemon tea. For this one, all I need is just an ounce of tea, brewed tea, just 1 ounce, and then I'm going to put 1 ounce of sugar syrup, and then squeeze our lemon into the drink, just a little bit, using our lemon squeezer. Give it a bit of a stir, and then pour into our cup, and then fill the rest of the cup with soda. So there's your lemon tea. Fill the cup with soda. And there is your sparkling lemon tea. And then let's put our straw. So 2 different types of lemon tea, the plain and the sparkling lemon tea. Now, for the main event, which is our cream cheese tea. I'm only left with 2 ounces of tea here, and I'm going to split it into 2. So I'm going to use 2 ounces of tea, and I'm going to put 1 ounce of sugar syrup, mix it, and then squeeze lemon into our drink. Okay, let's put that aside for now. Squeeze lemon. Give it a stir. And like I said, I'm going to split it into 2 glasses. So I'll fill the cup with ice. I have to try and split this into 2. So this is about 120. That means about 60 ounces each. Let me separate them using this shot glass. And it's only 2 ounces of tea and another 2 ounces of tea on this one. And then let's just fill it up to the top with water. A little bit more. And the same thing here. Give it a stir. Now the normal formula is 3 ounces of tea for 16-ounce cup and 1.5 ounce of sugar syrup. So this time I have modified the formula a little bit to fit these 2 glasses. So if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can add half an ounce of sugar syrup on each one. So half an ounce there, and half an ounce here. So again, let's give it a good stir. Put a little bit of lemon slice there for decoration. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. And now the final touch to our new arrival cream cheese lemon tea. So we'll put our cream cheese on top. Fill it to the top with cream cheese. This is going to be very, very delicious. And the same for the other glass. So the cream cheese normally would float on top. That's it. Lemon tea 3 ways. Now, I have to try each one of them. Let's try the plain one. Okay. Perfect. And let's try the second one. Now, this is a little bit different. I love this, especially during hot days. Now, I can only have a little bit because I really want to try the last one. Now, for the last one, because this is cream cheese, I would suggest that you don't use a straw and that you drink it right from the glass. And like usual, you tilt it a little bit and drink so you can slowly savor the cream cheese and the tea at the same time. Oh my God. I haven't yet gotten to the lemon tea. It is a very, very thick layer of cream cheese. Wow. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect. The taste just matches the sour lemon tea and the creamy, salty, sweet cream cheese. It's an absolute must try. Wow. Anyone who wants to try our new cream cheese lemon tea, very simple, come and visit us. So I hope that you can give this recipes a try. Do it at home, serve it to your friends and family, or maybe in your coffee shop and milk tea shop. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if there's any topic that you would like me to cover in my future videos, do let me know. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.